In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily reactivate your Facebook account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app and then tap right here to go to menu. First of all, I'm gonna show you how to deactivate your account. So if your account is already deactivated, you can just skip this step. To deactivate your account, we need to go to Meta Account Center, then tap Add Personal Details, Account Ownership and Control, Deactivation or Deletion. Select an account. Hit continue all the time until we get to deactivate account page. Right here we can tap at deactivate my account to temporarily deactivate our account. Now it says that my account is deactivated. Let me close Facebook app and then let me open it up again. In here, in order to reactivate our account, we need to tap at log into another account, because now it is showing me my basically temporarily or my second account on Facebook, and we just need to tap right here, and all we have to do in order to reactivate our account is just enter our email and phone number. If your email or phone number are saved to your device, like in my case, I've just used Face ID to sign into my account I've recently deactivated. That's basically how you can easily reactivate your account on Facebook.